The table above shows the distribution of ages of the 20 students enrolled in a college class. Which of the following gives the correct order of the mean, median, and mode of the ages? So real quickly, quick reminder, mean is the average. So we use X bar to show mean. And to do that, we have to add all the numbers together and then divide by 20 because we have 20 students. And then mode is the number that shows up the most. So that's an easy one to figure out. And then median is also not so bad because to find the median of anything, you want the number that is in the middle after you arrange the numbers from the least to the greatest. So by the way, there are two ways we can do this problem. I'm showing you the manual way now, and then I'm going to show you right after this how to solve this question using a graphing calculator or any calculator for that matter. So the manual way first. To find the mean, you want to find the total, right? But be careful. Notice that there's a frequency of 6, and that means that there are 6 18s. The frequency of 5 means we have to do 5 19s and so on and so forth. So to find the mean, it'll be 6 times 18 plus 5 times 19 plus 4 times 20 plus 2 times 21. And then there's just one of each after this. So we have plus 22, plus 23, and plus 30. And then all of this will be divided by 20, and that's going to give us the mean. When you add everything together, you have 400. So 400 divided by 20, we end up with 20. So the mean is 20. Now let's find the mode. Once again, mode is the number that shows up the most. Thankfully, we have frequency to help us out. So if frequency of 6 is the highest, so we know age 18 is the mode. So mode is 18. And last but not least is a median. Now a median is the number in the middle after you arrange the numbers from the least to the greatest. So if you write all these numbers out, 18, 18, 18, 18, in 18 we have 6 of them, and then you write all the 19s. As you can see, this can be very tedious. You could do that. However, we're not going to write all these numbers out. We're going to use a clever method to do this. We know that we have 6 at the beginning here. So those 6 at the beginning, these 6 at the beginning, can cancel out the 6 at the end of our long list once we have it. So those 6, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is in here somewhere. And then we know that there's a 5 here and there's a 3 right here. So this, we know that the median would have to be in this region, right in here. So the median is 19. So now that we have all the 3 values we needed, we can just enter this as mode being the least, which is 18. Looking at the choices here, mode is the least, so we can eliminate these, followed by the median. So mode and then median, and then the mean is the biggest. That makes A the correct answer to this. So as promised, there is a second way to do this problem. If you have a calculator on you, that would work. So you want to click on Stat, and then click on 1 to edit. And then in list 1, you're going to enter all the numbers in here that you're given. Now remember, pay attention to the frequencies. The frequency is 6, you need 18 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need 19 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you need 24 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need 21 2 times. 1, 2. And then you need a 22. You need a 23. And you need a 30. So once you've done this, you go back to Stat and you click on Calc. So we're going to click over where it says Calc, and you want to click on one variable stat. So the first option there, click 1 or hit enter, and then it's going to hit enter, enter, enter until it calculates it. So what you find up here is X bar 20. That's the mean. The symbol for mean is X bar. So we know 20. We already knew that. And then you'll find more information by scrolling downward, and you'll find that the median right here is 19. And then if you keep scrolling further down, you will be able to find the mode, or rather the mode actually is pretty straightforward. Just find the one that shows up the most, and that's it. So yeah, using either of those methods, either the manual or the calculator, you can find the answer to this question. Hope that helped.